Ernie and I wanted to check in today, and so this is our little thing. This is Ernie. He's super enthused that it's this early in the morning. Number one, I found out from listening to my screencast yesterday, I'm a loud person. I'm not sure if you noticed this. Number two, I hope all things are going well. Number three, here are some of our little things for today. Dog. Okay, so, he's all gone. What I would like for you to do is, actually I'm going to get rid of this little window because it looks like it's messing things up. What I'd like for you to do is, again, just keep working on your logical fallacies project. You don't have to do anything other than, keep working. These little bullet points here are hopefully going to be a little bit helpful for explaining the little things. Basically, especially since you have a lot of time to be aware of things that are happening on the internet or things that are happening in the news, you actually will have, unfortunately, a lot of options to find logical fallacies being used. Again, maybe not on purpose, although if you check any comment thread anywhere, you're going to find logical fallacies up the wazoo. So whether it is on Twitter, Instagram comments, or YouTube comments, or, those sorts of things. Next, I'm working on a way that you will be able to present live to probably not everybody at the same time because that would be pure chaos, but in smallish groups. And then I'll end up recording those small groups so that there will be a series of little videos that you get to watch and learn about them. And then those presentations will be taking place when we get back from spring break. And then we'll start the logical fallacies. Nope, just kidding. We'll start the persuasive essay, and that will be the next major essay that you'll work on. We will do a check-in with Writer's Notebooks April 4th, 60 pages. I'm just going to skip the 50-page thing because I think that's a little, just because. Finally, if you have any other questions, feel free to check in the office hours. I'm pretty sure that these are the office hours that I'm going to stick with. And my total office hours will end up being then 9:30 to 10:30 because the other half hours for my other classes, and then 12:30 to 1:30. If you have questions, you're always welcome to pop in anytime during those 2 hours during the day. All right. Thanks much. Hang in there. You guys are awesome.